welcome back to my channel. This is Mherdzz once again.
Hi guys, this is Mherdzz and I'm here on the area close to where I live, and I'm just only amazed how beautiful is the trees are, and it's changing the colors. It's very nice. Look at that. It's beautiful and very nice. I love the colors. Very nice. I love it. And I really take advantage to take a video before it's winter, because if it's already winter, it's this trees is gonna be gone, you know. And now it's beautiful and it's colorful. Those trees is changing a lot. See how beautiful it is, guys. It's nice, very nice. I love it. Very nice. And it's changing a lot. So beautiful. Oh my gosh. I love nature. Very cool. Look at that, how beautiful is the trees are. And those in the opposite side. Yeah, it's very nice. And how beautiful it is. I love it. So beautiful. I love nature. See how beautiful it is, guys? Oh my gosh. God is so great. All things bright are beautiful. Very nice. So here in the other side, it's cool, a nice view. And the only thing I was amazed is the colors. The trees are changing. Very nice colors. Right there. How beautiful it is. Very pretty. Very pretty. And it's wonderful. Wow. It's very nice. Love it. See how beautiful it is, guys? I just only take a video, the scenic view here. That way, you know, I have a video before it's winter, because if it is winter, this is gonna be gone. Very pretty. I so love it. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Hi guys, I'm here in the woods. I'm really amazed of the trees. The trees are changing. Oh my gosh, it's very lovely. How beautiful it is. See, it's very nice, guys. I love nature. So it's pretty and it's very nice in here. And you can see how beautiful is the trees are. It's changing. So I take advantage of the trees, because if it is winter, this is gonna be gone. So while it's still nice, the trees are. So I took a video here. Very nice. Very nice, very nice. Look how beautiful. And I'm just amazed, you know, what the scenic view here is pretty, and it's very lovely. So I'm just only by myself. I have a mask in here, so it's pretty good. And you know, I'm just only amazed, guys, how the trees are changing. That's very nice. Okay. I'm going farther. I'm going here this side, guys. Ah! Oh my gosh! Right here is changing more. Look. Look how beautiful, guys. It's very nice. Pretty. It's pretty. Very nice. I love nature. So, very nice. And it's lovely in here. Look at that far. Hi guys, kakarating ko lang guys, galing sa lakad. So I'm hungry, kain tayo guys. Gutom na talaga ako. Kakatapos ko lang nagluto eh. Tapos yun, ito yung mga pagkain. Hi guys, kain tayo guys. This is my dinner. This is fried fish. Anong tawag dito? This is I forgot, bangus na daing. Tapos, meron akong steam na spinach. Tapos, I have clam chowder soup. And then, daing. And then, I have humba. So, I already washed my hands before the camera. And I already prayed before the camera. So, I'm good. So, kain tayo guys. Gutom na talaga ako. And then, I have coffee. Ito yun guys. Nagkakape ako ng, di naman to yung kape na kape talaga yung matapang. Ano lang siya, light coffee. Pang pa-sexy. Joke. Joke. And actually really I have a soup. A clam chowder soup. It's a clam chowder soup. It's really good guys. See guys, I make a big portion. Sige na guys, kain na tayo guys. I'm so hungry na. Walang subo guys sa inyo. Daing na bangus. Kasi nag-crave ako ng ng bangus. Parang ang kain ko, yung dinner ko parang breakfast style. Kahit ikaw lang makakain. Ako lang makakain. So, hindi ko talaga yung minsan nga kumakain ako pag dinner, breakfast style eh. Ito yung humba ko guys, ang sarap. Humba. It's a pork belly. Sobrang lambot. Once in a while lang naman ako magano guys. Maganito. Sobrang sarap. Sobrang lambot. Sobrang lambot guys. Sasawan ko suka at saka patis. Ano yan, parang pinakurat. Nilagyan ko lang ng suka. Patis. Tapos, spinach. Daing na bangus. Mukbang tayo guys. Ang sarap ng humba. Ayaw ko kumain ng skin. Yung lang. Naman. Sobrang lambot. Pinakuloan ko muna siya bago siya tinimplahan. So, kaya, sobrang lambot. Ang sarap ng daing guys. Ang sarap ng spinach. Sarap. Ang sarap ng humba guys. Sobrang lambot. Sobrang lambot. Dahil na bangus. Humba. Gulay. Sinsya na guys ganuhin ko yung soup ko kasi natatawa na ako. Tumayo. Kasi ito pang kape itong kutsara eh. Hmm. Sige na nga, borrow na nga ako dito. Bahala na guys, ako lang naman kakain, di ba? So, ako lang din magsasawsaw ng ang sarap ng clam chowder. Ang sarap. Ang sarap ng humba, grabe. Sobrang lambot. Daing. Ganito lang kalaki ang lagayin ko sa rice ko. Kaya, kasya naman siya. Ang sarap ng soup. Clam chowder soup. Daing. Humba, sarap. Once a while lang ako kumain ng humba. Once in a while. This is my dinner. I'm very hungry. Spinach and my garlic. Tapos na ako guys. Wala na akong rice.
I guess that's all for now, guys, and thank you so much for watching my vlog, and thank you so much for everything once again, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you guys for my next vlog.